Hey everybody, this is Doug at Jammin J Auto and Tire, and what you're looking at today is a 2022 Ram 2500 ProMaster. And one of the things we want to show you is one of the challenges you run into with these cars is if you pop the hood today, there's just nowhere to fix anything, and it's so tight and everything is in there. And down here on the battery is the old, on the floor is the old battery getting ready to go back. And just so you know, if you're wanting to put a battery in one of these vehicles, well, I'm going to show you where it goes. Come around the corner here, and that panel back up there gets lifted out, and that battery goes down inside the floor. Basically, your feet set on it when you're driving around. So when we talk to customers about, you know, taking time to test the battery and put in charging time to put it in, this is why, because they keep putting them in harder and harder to find places. And like I said, the way they configure these vehicles today, we simply have to take more stuff apart to put a battery in.